Welcome to the Winning Workout. Now, I designed this as a balanced workout to get you in your best shape in the shortest amount of time. For flexibility, we have a gradual, thorough warm-up and a stretching cool-down that will relax all those muscles, making them longer and leaner. For your cardiovascular system, we've got aerobics. How about you guys? Any particular favorites?
All of them.
We start gradually with low impact, guaranteed to make your heart beat. But personally, I think the fun really begins with some hot times from the 50s, little rock and roll. Then we start to bring it back down again with a swing tune from the 40s that I think you're going to love. Okay, to make sure you have fun, we've made the movements easy to learn by clearly showing every angle you need to understand them. You can also follow foot-looking. Les, can you help me out here? Now just imagine an instructor standing in front of you and match your feet to theirs. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, just like this. Ooh, bump, bump, bump. Okay, thanks a lot, Leslie. Now we've also made the workout safe. The movements were designed with the latest thinking in exercise physiology. We monitor your heart rate to assure that you're in the target zone, and with body checks, we'll teach you correct technique to help prevent injury. Then comes the shaping section. Now, working with weights is the fastest way to tone and shape muscles. We'll take you through a programmed 12-week period that will firm your body, enhancing endurance, strength, and beauty. Now, it's based on a principle of progressive overload. It works something like this. You begin with a light weight and low repetitions, building up the reps over a period of time. Then as you increase the weight, you drop down the number of repetitions. Now, this is going to repeat for 3 phases. You're going to be amazed at the results at the end of 12 weeks. You'll also have learned so much about your body by getting in touch with all of those muscles as we teach you their location, function, and relationship to the rest of your body. You'll also learn the importance of